Hi, my name is Heather Boynton, and here's a little bit about me in a nutshell. I live here in California. I've got four kiddos, they're currently ages 8 on up to 16. We've lived in California most of our lives, lived in Washington for a little bit. Got lots of family here, and really enjoy it. So in the last slide, you saw that I have four kiddos, and here at the very top picture is my oldest daughter, Madison. I actually have two daughters, my oldest and my youngest, that have a disease called cystic fibrosis. So here's a little piece of our life and our culture. The hospital. So they're doing amazingly well. They've been really healthy for the bulk of their lives. They just had a fabulous new drug therapy that came out in October that they're calling essentially the cure for cystic fibrosis. So it's been a life-changing drug for us. So many advances and so much to be grateful in that realm. But they are amazing, super resilient, and huge blessings in our family. And that's my son who doesn't have it, but he is a huge supporter, helps them with medical treatments and everything else that they need. I am actually currently a college professor at a college here in California. And ironically, I teach the diversity class at our campus. I'm taking this course so that I just love getting new insights and perspectives from other instructors. I'm taking it as a means of fulfilling some professional development. So this is one of my classes, and they're each holding their persona dolls, which is one of the activities that we do in class as a means to teach challenging topics around diversity and it's one of my favorite assignments. But anyway, love my current job. I actually stayed at home with my kiddos for all of their years till they went to public school, and I've been teaching as a faculty member at the college I'm at for about 3 years. This is a picture of our crew at a Dodgers game. We love the Los Angeles Dodgers, and I like baseball, but I really love the food. So my kids and my husband go for the games, but I go for the nachos or the Dodger dog. So we love to be outdoors, love to explore, love to catch games when we can. I wish I could say this is a picture of me in my hometown, but it is not. This is actually where my parents live, so we do spend a lot of time here. This is in Morro Bay, California. This is where I want to retire, but I love to go boogie boarding with my kids. I can't surf, but I attempt it still. I absolutely love the ocean. It is my happy place, and my kids are um, yeah, they love it too. They love being with grandma and grandpa at the beach and just love anything in the water. I took the test on the Gregoric style delineator test, and I thought it was interesting. I passed out a similar test to my students at the beginning of the semester, but I can say that I've never really completed it myself. So I thought it was really interesting. My learning style was abstract and concrete random learning style, so I had equal scores on both of those. I love meeting new people. I tend to jump into situations sometimes a little quick. I love to be creative, but most of all, I just love being around other people. And so, really excited to be in this class and get to learn alongside all of you. Hope you all have a great semester or quarter. Take care.